Hi guys, I'm Mark with Expanse Electrical. With the number of SWDs expanding daily, we continue to be a trusted supplier to produced water operators. You'll find our pole line, electrical, and automation services at work on hundreds of locations across the oil patch. To quote Bruce Lee, "I don't fear the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks. I fear the man who practiced one kick 10,000 times." At Expanse Electrical, saltwater disposal wells are a key focus area. They're like something we've practiced 10,000 times. At a cost of many millions of dollars for a saltwater disposal well, we make sure the last mile of pole line and all other electrical work ensures the value of your investment. Expanse Electrical's products and services combine to enhance safety and reliability 24/7. That's all for now. It's go time.